Hello from moi. As you guys know, we're staying at this resort, and the reason why we're staying at this resort is because it is my niece's birthday weekend, month, whatever you want to call it, and she just wanted to stay at a hotel and go swimming. So I got us a hotel that has a water park attached to it. But what we're about to do is get her little gift bag. Her cousin was supposed to come with her, so I bought a second little gift bag as well. So we're gonna put all of that together now, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got for her. Most of the stuff I got from Five Below, and the rest of it I got from Amazon. We're going to do a little spa day after we finish at the water park. So I just got us a bunch of little spa goodies. So let's take a look. I am going to bring all of the goodies here to the table, and we're gonna put it all together. So let's go get it. Let's get it together. I love these IKEA bags. They hold so much stuff. I'm also only one-handed, so this might take a hot second to put together, but let's put it together. Let's go through each item one by one, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly, let's tilt that down just a little bit, exactly what it is that I got. So this is like a little beauty headband, and it's Jolly Rancher scented hand sanitizer that I came with. I got this at Five Below. This is a little tumbler charm set. It's magnetic and it sticks to the outside of your tumbler. I thought that was gonna be super cute. This is also like a little tumbler, almost like a bracelet or even like an extra handle. I got one for my tumbler at home and it works really nice. Also Five Below. We got tumblers at Walmart because I bought stickers so that she can decorate the outside of the tumbler. So there's a pink one and then there's also a purple one. So I think I may just give that to my sister. We got this little double keychain purse, Five Below. This was the extra little decoration for the outside of the tumbler. Again, I'm probably gonna give it to my sister. This was the other headband. This one's Smarties scented, and it's got a orange creamsicle hand sanitizer to it. We got her some birthday girl sunglasses. I think that's pretty cool and epic. And I also bought extra sunglasses as well. Not really sure how well these are gonna fit her because she's 9, but we do have some extra sunglasses. We got hair ties because what kiddo doesn't like hair ties? We got some body butter, Five Below. Also, it was like a 3-pack of body butter and I took 2 of them. And then I actually had extra Kopari body spray, so I'm gonna match the body spray with the lotion. They actually smell really close to those lotions. And this was gonna be for the other girl. I got blue hair ties. I got a blue tumbler thing. It looks just like the pink one except it's blue. Got some push pops because kiddos love candy. So I got 2 little push pops. We got some UV detection temporary tattoos. So we're gonna have a pool day on Saturday, and I thought this was really cute to do. Got those on Amazon. These are Lazy Days lip gloss. I got these at Five Below. Only a couple of bucks, you can see that. I did grab 2 of these little makeup pouches that I got from my Ipsy bags. I just seem to hold on to them for whatever time. We've got our stickers here for the tumbler. I did buy 2 of these like little mystery pack things. I thought those were like really fun. People love to open like little mystery packs, so she can just open them. Okay, so now into the face masks. We got a watermelon Sour Patch Kids scented one. We got a Disney Villains one. We got Jolly Rancher. Like, these were just kind of fun. We got another Villains one. We got Lucky Charms. I thought this was cute. And then more stickers. So these are like more stickers for the tumbler. And because they didn't have a second one of these like little pouch things at Five Below, I got this one on Amazon. It was like a couple bucks. These I already had at home. They are eye steam masks. So like they just get nice and warm and they smell like lavender. So I brought those. Now in for like the face care. So this was the face care they had at Five Below. I thought it was really cute. And then we've got a face cream. And we've got, this is like a little lip mask. So that's what I got her. I got a face wash, I got her a moisturizer, and then I got her a lip mask. This I brought from home. It's like a silver body and hairspray. So I thought like, hey, like let's make ourselves look pretty and glittery. I got these little skincare tools on Amazon. And I brought this Ariel body wash because I'm gonna give it to my sister. And so that's everything that's going in the goodie bags. So let's put it together. Here is the final product. I put most of the stuff into the little bag, and then I'm gonna set this up on her bed in here. And then I put the other one on my sister's bed. That was phase 1. This is phase 2. And I honestly kind of forgot that I bought these little fake nail things. So I think I'm just gonna put that in that bucket over here where I put the face masks, because that's gonna be for later. I did bring a balloon pump, and these are all a bunch of different balloons and streamers. I found these like twinkle lights. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna power them up, but we'll see. This is like glitter freckle temporary tattoos. I totally forgot all about these. And then I got these like princess temporary tattoos because kids just love little temporary tattoos. So let's start working on phase 2. This is the doorway for the kids' room, and so I think I'm gonna decorate kind of like around here. Okay, let's see if I can reach. Yeah, I think I can reach the top of the door frame. We're gonna peel as we go. That's pretty cool, right? Ooh. Some of it is not great because it's off Temu. I did get all of this off Temu, and it broke. Like some of the feathers like came off. So maybe we'll just like throw them over some cabinets or something. I don't know. But yeah, this looks cute. Let's see what else we can do. This is project number 2. It's a banner that says happy birthday with ballerinas on it, but I have to string it together myself. So that is what we're doing next. I don't even know how these letters are. They're kind of hard to read, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so this is the other PPY. Okay. Yeah, the rest of the PPY that goes. I think there's too many P's. Nah. P. There's a weird looped letter here because you got a P at the end of this one and you got a P here, but it looks like there's 2 P's.
Well, that's a D. That's day. The second one's day. That's
Oh,
the
you
end
think
of
it goes
Happy.
this way?
The one there that's on the table is day.
Oh, this one's day. Okay. Okay. This is what happens when you have to put it together yourself. Update to what we have done so far. Okay, so as you guys saw, I put this streamer up in front of the door. I also put this happy birthday with all the little ballerinas on the wall right next to the door. And then we come in the room. Let's go down a little bit. We had that extra streamer. So because this is like a Wild West themed room, I tried to girl it up a little bit. So we put some ballerinas on the side. We hung the streamers, put some ballerinas onto this. Now, I had to make the bed. The bed did not come made. And then this is how you get up to the top up here. So I don't know if Lily's going to want to sleep on the top or what she wants to do. I mean, it's a cute little themed room, but she's a girl, and I don't know if she's gonna care about that. And then we've got like this big mural on this wall over here. Yeah, so it's coming along. And then I put all of her little goodies on the bed right there. And then when you come out here, we had some extra little ballerinas. So I put them on the refrigerator. And it's just like a little bit of tape. And little twinkle lights. You can kind of see like what they look like in the little grouping here, because there's still 3 more little groups that I'm like, it's really hard to take apart with one hand.
Yeah.
But like they twinkle. And then you've got like a fade in and out twinkle. And you got kind of like a Christmas light one. And I think these just stay on. And then you've got like party disco, fluttery.
Looking nice. Good job.
We have one extra set because I bought 2 of them, so I think I'm just gonna send them home with her. Maybe she can decorate her room with them or something, you know? That is the end of phase 2. Phase 3, I think I'm gonna finish tomorrow, which is gonna be balloons and putting the tablecloth on the bed. We also have to go pick up her cake tomorrow, so that will be phase 3. But we have dinner plans tonight, so I'm gonna go start getting ready for our little date night plan for tonight, and stay tuned and I'll come get you guys tomorrow. As promised, I am on to phase 3 of decorating for this party. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. I had bought a air balloon inflator thing when I bought all the balloons, and it only blew up 2 balloons before it died. So I did Instacart a new balloon thingy, but I actually ended up getting some helium because I've never tried that before. So I've just spent the last 2 hours blowing up balloons and finishing up some of the decorations, so let's go look at it. Okay, so you guys saw the streamers yesterday. I got this like iridescent balloon, like bow balloon. We've got a 9 and some extra little bows. Down in here, I got some happy birthday balloons. I'm really not sure how to turn the lights on in the bed. I have no idea. We're gonna have to figure that out. We got these like iridescent pink balls, so I just kind of like threw these on the floor because they're big and I don't think they should pop. We've got our little party streamer that is like hanging on by a thread over here, I swear. We got our little streamer. So that'll be fun. And then coming back out, as you guys can see, we put the twinkle lights. Put the twinkle lights into the streamer, so that's gonna be all nice and sparkly. I've got the happy birthday on the wall with the little ballerinas. This was the balloon blow up thing that did me dirty. It's going in the trash. And then, because these wouldn't stick to the fridge, I just stuck them to the cabinets, so hopefully they'll stay this time. Now, I put the table placement on. It took forever because I only had one hand. I blew up these balloons first, and I decided I was gonna tie them to this chair so that can be like birthday girl chair. And then I still had a ton of helium, and as you can see, I still have a ton of balloons. So I just kind of tied them off to this chair over here. I don't think I'm gonna blow up the rest of these balloons because, as you guys can see, it's a lot. But yeah, I think I'm done. I think this is it. And then I don't know if we're gonna have cake tonight. I think we're gonna have cake tomorrow. And tomorrow we're gonna be going to check out the water park out there. So you guys can see it, I'm sure. Back over there is the water park. It's just across the little lake. And my sister and my niece and my nephew should be here in about an hour. And we're gonna have dinner and hang out, and tomorrow we're gonna have fun. That concludes our setup day, getting the hotel ready for Lily. She actually did really like it when she got there. She had a lot of fun. I have to say, it's really cool that that hotel had a room that was themed. I was a little bummed out that it was Western themed and not really like girly themed. I'm not really sure if you could request it or if maybe there was an issue there, but I had a lot of fun setting it up. It did take some time because I was only using one hand. That's probably why it took me several hours to set up everything, set up the balloons, and like just get everything ready to go. Tomorrow, we're gonna go head out to the pool. So if you wanna see that, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see that video when it comes out. So if you made it this far in the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week. And we'll come and get y'all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, Baby Ruth?
Bye, everybody. We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.